Did you ever wonder, can I make money with Discord? Here's the answer. Yes, you can. With this amazing application Repocket with you can easily earn $10 per week. You were asking how? You just need to download application and join to our Discord server to be able to participate in every week giveaways and games. You can find download link in description. And if you download application from my link you will get bonus $5 for joining. Hurry up, application is still new. Let's start with instructions. How to participate in games. On Discord you will find room with name giveaways. In that room administrator of Discord server will notify everyone when will game starts. Last game was super fun and I won $10. The rules from last game was simple and easy. Administrator was sending 4 pictures with same association on one word. In first 4 pictures main word was cold. And you need to be the first one to write the word. That's how you get easy $10. The money you won it will be sent on your application wallet. This time giveaway was $40 but next time it can be up to $1,000. In that case 100 people will get $10. I hope you will be smart and start with earnings with this application. If you liked this video and you want to make more money I suggest you to leave like and subscribe for more content like this one. Thanks for watching, see you in next video.